Nel, ano-anong mga kasunduan itong pinirmahan dyan sa Malacanang?
Itong Civil Works Contract Package para dito sa New Cebu International Container Port Project. Layo ng proyekto na itaas ang operational capacity ng pangunahing cargo gateway sa Central Visayas Region. Kasama rin sa nilagdaan ng concession agreement para sa Bohol Panglao International Airport Project. Nakapaloob naman dito ang konstruksyon ng bagong passenger terminal building, iba pang pasilidad at paglalagay ng modern aviation equipment. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, pangunahing makikinabang pa rin dito ang mga taga-Bohol.
This project is expected to generate 15 million pesos in annual revenue during its first 5 years, rising to 200 million a year by the end of the concession period. But more than just the revenue, its true success will be the number of lives that it will change for the better in Bohol. It is a promise to our beloved people that they will be the first to benefit from the continued arrival of tourists and of investors.
Ang New Dumaguete at Siargao Regional Airports Transaction Advisory Services Agreement ay kabilang rin sa mga pinirmahang kontrata. Nilagdaan rin ang Transportation Department ang Cebu Bus Rapid Transit Transaction Advisory Service Agreement. Yan muna ang ating update. Balik sa iyo, Arga.
Maraming salamat, Nel Maribohook.